In Florida, a judge called the state's ban on abortions after 15 weeks unconstitutional and temporarily halted that ban. And in Kentucky, a court approved a temporary restraining order on 2 laws that prohibit abortion there. GOP officials in both states say they plan to fight the new orders. Similar court rulings are coming out daily, so the number of states with bans keeps changing. The Guttmacher Institute reports more than half of all states have or are planning to impose new anti-abortion laws. Some of them have just one exception, and that one exception is causing confusion in the medical community. Here's CNBC's senior health and science correspondent, Meg Terrell.
The best word to use right now for the state of healthcare in this country, particularly around pregnancy, is chaotic.
While state abortion bans contain exceptions for when the pregnant person's life is in danger, doctors treating these patients say the laws are anything but clear-cut.
What about a patient who has breast cancer? They're not actively dying. So should they continue a pregnancy and defer all treatment until they are actively dying?
Dr. Layla Zahedi is a maternal fetal medicine physician in Tennessee, which this summer expects to implement a ban on all abortions. It contains an exception, quote, to prevent the death or serious risk of substantial and irreversible impairment of a major bodily function of the pregnant woman. Violation of the law would be a Class C felony with potential prison time of 3 to 15 years and fines of up to $10,000.
My biggest concern is how many patients are going to be harmed because providers are scared to give care that they know is correct, but that they're worried will come back on them as a legal problem.
In Texas, where an abortion ban at about 6 weeks went into effect last September, doctors report care has changed for the worse. A survey of 25 clinicians and 20 patients published in the New England Journal of Medicine found disruptions in care for ectopic pregnancies, which aren't viable because they implant outside the uterus and can cause life-threatening blood loss. And patients sent home with ruptured membranes, only to return with sepsis, a life-threatening response to infection. For doctors in these states, what would have been immediate care could now be delayed by having to consult a lawyer or wait until a patient's health deteriorates.
Unfortunately, we're going to see people be hurt. We're going to see potentially people die from these laws. Not only the direct impact of the laws, but certainly the chaos and confusion that are resulting from the laws.
Now, proponents of the laws say there are standard ways to treat these kinds of medical emergencies. But the doctors we spoke with said there are a lot of gray areas, and they expect over the coming months for both the federal government and medical groups to try to provide some guidance. Shep.
Meg Terrell, thanks very much. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.